Hey everyone, this is Phoenix from Patrick Cadillac. We just got this beautiful XT5 in. It is amazing. Let's just take a moment, let me go over it for you. Alright, so this is our XT5, of course. This is our premium luxury package. There's an emerald lake exterior with a jet black interior. Now the engine is a 6-cylinder, 3.6 liter engine. That's a V6, of course. That's going to push you at about 310 horsepower. Now, of course, this car is all-wheel drive with wireless phone charging. You have a built-in sunroof, heated and cooled seats, and of course, all those luxury features that are important to you. And of course, as everyone knows, nothing drives like a Cadillac. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to give us a follow, comment, like as well. You, of course, can get this XT5 at Patrick Cadillac. That's 526 Mall Drive in Schaumburg, Illinois. We'll see you here.